Asexual reproduction by specialized reproductive structures. By specialized reproductive structures. What do you call these specialized reproductive structures? They will be known as spores. These structures are known as spores. Okay, now we have to study two important spores. We have to study two important spores. One is zoospore and another one is conidia. Zoospore and conidia. Zoospores are known as planospore. ये तो नहीं पढ़ाया zoology मैम ने. Zoospores are planospores. Conidia is aplanospore. Conidia is aplanospore. Class, planospore means they are motile. They do have flagella. They are planospore. And aplanospore means non-motile. They are non-motile. They are non-motile. Then zoospores are endogenous in origin. They are endogenous in origin. Conidia, they are exogenous in origin. What is this endogenous and exogenous? Let me show you here. Let's suppose, class, this is a bag. I have made a bag here. In this bag, you will get to see chlamydomonas are being formed. This is the NCERT diagram that I am making here for you. I hope you all can see this. This is a bag, and in this bag, there is formation of zoospore. Why I was calling it planospore? Due to the presence of flagella. Due to the presence of flagella, they are planospore. Why I'm calling them endogenous? Because they are formed inside a bag. What do we call this bag? This bag will be known as zoosporangium. Sporangium is singular. Sporangium is singular because these zoospores are formed inside a bag. We will be calling it endogenous in origin. It is formed inside the bag. Zoosporangium. Okay. One more thing you will get to see here, that this one chlamydomonas is representing one zoospore. Listen to me carefully, class. This one zoospore is representing one chlamydomonas. One chlamydomonas. Right? These zoospores are naked. This is very, very important, class. It may come in your final exam. These zoospores are naked. Class, naked means they are without any covering. No true covers you will get to see here. I'm not talking about this thing, beta. I'm talking about one zoospore. This one zoospore is considered to be naked. This is going to be my star point here. Please, class, mark it as a star point. Zoospore are naked. Zoospores are naked. Then, can I say they are pyramid shape? Please do not take it seriously. Pyramid shape means something like this. So these zoospores are pyramid shaped, and the flagella is coming from the anterior side. So they are anteriorly flagellated. Anterior means the front end. Okay, so I hope this terminology you people have done in your zoology class. Front is anterior, back is posterior. Am I right or wrong? So the flagella is coming from this area. Raman, the flagella is coming from the anterior end. That is why I have written anteriorly flagellated. So this is about the zoospore. Now this zoospore will be commonly seen in algae. They are commonly seen in algae, and the most common example here we have is of Chlamydomonas.